Hi, this is Shizhe speaking, and in this video, I'm going to talk about task 4.1. We always use list t. It's very convenient, but right here we write a liner container class from scratch, called vector t, to implement sorting and binary search functions and verify them in tester. It provided many tests. So first, the vector T is essentially a container that encapsulates a dynamic array. Before I debug, I'm going to introduce the working logic, the way of binary search. So a list of elements normally is in correct sequence and in a from smaller to bigger. We find the middle value. So for example, if there are seven, there are five values, there are five elements. We find the third value, and we compare the third value with the value we want to compare. So if the value is bigger than the middle value, we'll put the value in the right part, and if the value is smaller than the middle value, we put it in the left part, and we keep repeating the process to find the correct position of that value and insert it. That's the working logic. So let's start debugging. So first, we start from here. So this line is to check the current value of temp I and the vector count. And if the vector is full, we check if it is automatically expands the capacity of the vector. Um, and I keep going. And this line is to tell that if everything works well, and as we expected, so it will print the the values, and as we shown here, the values here, and then join into here. So this is also checking to compare with the system provided array, and the binary search to verify that our implementation is consistent. And back to the binary search. So uh, this is to tell that if it is null, it will return the zero based index, and if the item is a negative integer number, we return -1 right here. So go through the binary search, and I set two comparator right here. One is ascending, one is descending. For the ascending comparator, it implements and the comparison ascending order and return A to B. And the descending in the comparator, it also implements, but compare in descending order from B to A. So two different sequences, and yeah, go through that, and go through the binary search, and this is to checking uh, check cache. Sorry, it's not check cache. It's if else, and if doesn't, it print success. And here we go. We see the success here, and then we move to test B, and same. We go through the same process here and same logic way. And this is extending in the comparator. It calls this, and then go through test B, print the value, and then go through the binary search again, and print C, and keep going, print C, D, E, F, and then that is the correct output of it.